The world's food factory. What is your favorite food? Is it noodles, apple, orange, strawberry, honey, fish, eggs, cake, potato chips, chocolate, or milk? Or is it something else? Be it any food prepared at home or in restaurants, or sold at bakeries or stores, it comes from our green friends, plants. Even the food for animals comes from these green wonders, directly or indirectly. Isn't it interesting to know how plants prepare food for the world? Come, let's learn about it in this module. Learning objective. What you will learn. At the end of this module, you will be able to name the parts of a leaf, explain how plants prepare food, and state the importance of plants as a source of food. Concept teaching. Parts of a leaf. Green plants prepare their own food, mostly in the leaves. So let's first learn about different parts of a leaf to understand the food-making process better. Look at this leaf. The thin, flat part of the leaf is called the leaf blade or lamina. The part of the leaf that connects the leaf blade to the stem is called the stalk or petiole. The line that runs in the center of the leaf blade is called the main vein or midrib. The lines that run parallel to one another from the main vein are called side veins. If you look more closely at the underside of the leaf through a microscope, you will see tiny openings. These openings are called stomata. The green color of the leaf is due to the presence of structures called chloroplasts. The chloroplasts contain green pigments called chlorophylls. Photosynthesis. Let's now see how plants prepare food. Green plants require water, carbon dioxide, and sunlight to make food, which is done mostly by the leaves. Do you know which part of the plant helps it absorb water from soil? You are right. It is the roots. Roots absorb water from the soil and send it to the stem. The stem carries water to other parts of the plant, including leaves. Carbon dioxide required to make food is taken in from the atmosphere, along with other gases, through small pores in the leaves called stomata. Chlorophyll, the green pigment in the leaves, absorbs the sunlight that falls on the leaves and combines it with water and carbon dioxide to make glucose, a form of sugar. This is then stored in the form of starch. During this process, plants release oxygen as a byproduct. Almost all other living things use this oxygen for breathing. This food-making process in plants is called photosynthesis, as sunlight is used as the source of energy. Photo means light, and synthesis means to put together. Green plants use only some of the prepared food for growth and to repair damaged body parts. The rest of the food is stored in different parts like fruit, stem, leaf, and root. This stored food is eaten by humans and plant-eating animals.